Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Lannie. Today I'm really going to just focus on the eyes and not do my base. You guys have seen me do my base several times, so I just wanted to really focus on the eyes today. So that's what we're going to be doing. Interested in recreating this look or just seeing how I did the look, go ahead and stay tuned. But before you do, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, that notification bell, all that good stuff that you hear me say all the time. So you will never miss future videos. So yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. All right, I have my base done already, and I'm going to start off by priming my eyes and using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. So I'm going to be using my Nubian 2 Juvia's palette today, and this is how it looks on the inside. And I'm going to start off with the color Morocco. This beautiful like burnt orange color, and I'm going to pack that color on all over my lid. Next, I'm going to go into Madagascar, which is like a neutral light brown color, and just kind of diffuse the top of this orange to not make it look as harsh. Just the very edges of it. Next, I'm going to take that same concealer that I used to prime my lids, and I'm going to cut my crease. Okay, next I'm going to go into the color Nefertiti. And I'm going to take a flat brush and go over the spot that I put that concealer. Now I'm going to take a fluffy brush and blend that section out just a little bit. All right, this will usually be the part where I go and do my base, but I already have that done for this video because I just wanted to really focus on the eyes. Tell me what you guys do in the comments below. Do you do your base first and then your eyes, or do you do your eyes first and then your base? Let me know. So I'm going to go ahead and go into this beautiful color called Egypt. Okay. And I'm going to dip in that color and put that on my lower lash line. Next, for my inner corner, I am going to go into Nairobi. And I'm actually going to be dipping into both Nairobi and Zuri, these two colors here. So I'm going to go in Nairobi first. Beautiful color. Actually, I'm not going to dip into Zuri. I'm going to stick with just Nairobi because that color is so pretty all by itself, and I don't want to mess that up. So I'm going to go into my inner corner, and I'm going to take it along my bottom lash line just a little bit. Just like that. Okay, so I went ahead and popped on some lashes, and now I'm going to just put on a little bit of mascara on my bottom lash line. I like to go back and forth with my wand just to give it a more thick, clumped look. That's how I like my bottom lashes to look. So I haven't highlighted yet, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. And I'm going to use my this contour palette, and it has this pretty highlight here. Wait, let me give you a better look. This one here. And I'm gonna go ahead and I like it because it's nice and subtle. It's not too crazy. And that's kind of what I want today because the eyes are really dramatic for me. So I don't want anything else to be like really, you know, crazy on my face. So taking this very pretty subtle glow. And since I already have y'all on camera, I'm going to go ahead and do lips too. And I'm going to be using my Maybelline lip color and protector. And it's this pretty chocolate brown color. And then on top of that, I'm going to use my Milani Chromatic Addict. And I'm just going to focus this on the middle of my lips because this is very like dramatic. So it's super pigmented. And I'm going to take a lip brush and blend that. And I like it. And you guys, look, I didn't even line my lips today, and I'm not going to. That's a miracle. So this is the final look, and I really like it. I hope the fall theme came across in this final look. I think it did. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And once again, I just thank y'all so much for watching. Hey, and while you're here in the vicinity, go ahead and binge watch 2 or 3 other videos of mine too. I love y'all, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.